giving hope at a very important time in your pet's life. When your pet has cancer, you want to bring your pet to a place that offers advanced medicine as well as compassionate care in a state-of-the-art facility. And we've come here today to Norwalk, Connecticut, to the Veterinary Cancer Center, an amazing place, an 8,000 square foot facility that is one of the largest standalone facilities for comparative oncology in the United States. We're going to go inside and we're going to check it out and learn more about the treatments and the services that they provide during this very special episode of Connecticut Perspective TV. I'm Jim Masters. Let's go inside and find out their story. The mission at the Veterinary Cancer Center in Norwalk, Connecticut is to give hope to pet owners by pursuing better ways to diagnose, treat, and prevent cancer in all animals. Their compassion for pets and their owners inspires them to provide state-of-the-art cancer care, exceptional care that can improve a pet's quality of life and give pets and pet owners more time together. Their philosophy is centered around hope at every turn of the diagnosis and treatment. So they explore every possible avenue of treatment, including novel and innovative therapies to treat your pet's cancer. This is David Duchemin. He is the Chief Operating Officer of this fantastic facility. David, welcome to the show. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you, Jim. It's very nice to meet you as well.
Now tell us about this amazing 8,000 square foot facility here in Norwalk, and what was the vision and the mission and philosophy when it was designed?
Thank you, Jim. Why don't we start with a tour of the reception area?
Absolutely. It's beautiful here, huh?
Thank you very much. I tried to create something truly special and unique in the veterinary market. As you can see, it's kind of a cross between a hotel and a veterinary hospital. And
it gives you that feel, yeah.
I wanted to create a hospital where people felt hope and kind of forget why they're here.
We're going to go on a tour. Can you take us on a tour of some of the other rooms and facilities and treatment areas so we can see what's going on in this amazing place?
Absolutely.
Here we go. Let's do that right now.
All right, Jim, we're currently in the treatment center. This treatment center was really built around the collaborative approach. We have techs working on one side of the hospital. We have doctors working on the other side. We have 4 primary treatment areas. First area is where we give chemotherapy to the larger dogs so that the dogs can lay comfortably, along with the employees, of course, on a nice, comfortable mat. Everything is kind of blocked off so the animal stays very, very calm.
Terrific.
And creates a really comfortable, safe environment to give chemotherapy. Well, we also have the treatment tables. We basically use this for EKGs. We use it for giving chemotherapy to smaller dogs. We use it for aspirates and biopsies. The next treatment area is where we do a lot of bone marrows and other diagnostics that require a wet table. And so we have the treatment wards here, and kind of the unique thing about this is, as you can see, it's completely enclosed in glass. What it does is it creates a much calmer environment. You notice there's no dogs barking, and the reason is because they can see out, they still remain part of the pack.
Here at the Veterinary Cancer Center, we've installed a state-of-the-art linear accelerator, the same one that's used at human hospitals, to be able to provide the best possible treatment for animals with cancer. Our hope is also that someday these types of machines will be used to do research that will better the treatment of cancer for both animals and for people. The linear accelerator allows us to treat our patient from all different angles so that we're able to provide the best possible treatment options for their cancer.
Dr. Post, it's great to welcome you to the show. Good to see you. It really is a sensational facility here as we're taking a tour and going through and talking with some of the clients and seeing the pets themselves. When somebody is considering a facility to bring a pet who is dealing with issues that sometimes we deal with, cancers and things of that nature, it really is an emotional time, isn't it?
It's incredibly emotional, and I would say that the first things that go through people's minds are, oh my God, my pet has cancer, my pet's going to die. And secondly, oh my God, if I do treatment, it's going to be incredibly expensive.
Absolutely.
And I guess now more so than ever, cancer is not a death sentence. As a matter of fact, now that we have radiation therapy, multimodality therapy, not only are we giving hope to people, but we are actually curing cancers in some animals. Certainly not all, but a higher and higher percentage of animals are actually getting cured. And number 2, I would say, is that cancer therapies, although some can be incredibly costly, not all are. Now more than ever before, again, there are options. And we make sure, and one of our guiding principles is that we want to make sure that every animal gets the best therapy that the owners can afford. And whether that affordability is either money, time, time, emotion, any of those things. We want to make sure that that pet gets the best treatment available.
What are some of the things, in addition to all of that, that you think make the Veterinary Cancer Center here in Norwalk stand out and the place so special?
Sure. So really this place is unique. It is the largest standalone, privately owned veterinary cancer center in the country. We are a full-service, comprehensive cancer center. In other words, we offer chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy. We also are the Northeast Regional Center for Clinical Trials in Veterinary Oncology.
What is it about this center that you find so invaluable for you and, of course, Isabel?
Dr. Post is fabulous. He definitely knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
Jezebel should have been dead 3 years ago, at least 3 years ago.
Really?
And he's kept him alive and pretty healthy.
As you can see, compassion, talent, state-of-the-art facility. It's the entire package here at the Veterinary Cancer Center of Norwalk, Connecticut. Truly an amazing place for your pet and their care.